Hey, what's up my good people? This is Jeff Cowboy. This is 2012 Toyota Highlander, and I have a little situation here, and this can happen to anybody, wherever you are. So this vehicle here, and where are the keys? I find the keys. So the vehicle came to start it, and it won't start at all. It's completely dead. And I figured something could be wrong, and one of the most common problem is battery dead. And when I was looking in here, I realized that light in the middle right there. Let me show you. This light was left on, and as you can see, it's fading down. That means the battery has been drained by that light that was left on all this time long. And this happens when you have kids, and sometimes they play with the lights. You have to keep telling them. So what would happen if this happened to you in the middle of nowhere? At least I have two vehicles I can jump start, but I need to have the jump start cable. If you don't have the jump start cable, I want to show you something here that you can actually purchase online. I'll send a link on the description where you can buy this car battery jump starter, and you can use this to jump start the vehicle. Let me show how. So we're gonna pop up the hood right here. Once you pop up the hood, locate the battery always on the driver's side like here, and you need a positive and negative terminal. So here is a YESPER, the jump starter, and it's good. You can jump start the car. You can also charge up. You can charge your phone. You can charge. You can connect to your laptop and stuff like that. So we need the red terminal and the black alligator clips, and this one will go to the negative side, and then the red one will go to the positive side. The other thing you need to note, it has to be charged up. So when you're storing it, make sure it's charged. And we need the 12 volt right here. So place and hold, and as you can see, it's 100% charged up. I'm gonna pop this open, and then we're gonna connect with the positive. Just like that. So when you hook it up like that, make sure it's on, because after a short period of time, this normally time out. And there we go. Now we're gonna try to start the vehicle. There we go. It's all fired up. When you're disconnecting, always start with the negative, then positive. Again, it's called the YESPER. There'll be a link on the description where you can buy this, and it's very good, comes in handy. They can even start a big truck. And the vehicle is all fired up, ready to go. My name is Jeff Cowboy. Again, subscribe, stay tuned. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and leave me any comment or any question. Stay tuned. Bye.